Welcome to the Chocolate Drive, where we love monster trucks just as much as you do. Today, we are at the indoor stadium that Little Chip created just for this challenge, where in the Bakugan Dragonoid, I, Chip Chocolate, will be taking on Little Chip in the Soldier Fortune Black Ops to determine which truck we will get to unbox. If I win today's challenge, we will get to unbox Rescue Ranger. If he wins today's challenge, we get to unbox 25th Anniversary Avenger. Who do you guys think we are going to get to unbox? I hope I win. Little Chip, are you ready to race?
Yes.
Oh, we almost forgot the rules, Little Chip. There will be 1, 2,
3
races, where the winner is the truck that traveled the farthest. Little Chip, are you ready to lose? I'm opening up Rescue Ranger for sure.
No, Dad. I'm opening up Avenger.
Let's find out. Race 1, here we go! Oh man!
You have to take the first win.
I'm gonna make a comeback here.
Soar, Dad. Yeah, soar.
It's race 2, Little Chip. Time for a comeback.
No, Dad.
Bakugan, you got blocked by the tires!
Yeah, we leave for the win.
Little Chip, you've won. Are you ready to unbox this truck?
Let's do one more race, Dad.
Well, for the last race, I'm changing my truck. I'm going with Earthshaker. The final race for fun. Let's go! Oh man, my truck got blocked from the tires again.
I get to unbox Avenger.
Let's get him out of the box. Get him out. Open it up.
Finally.
Nice. Congratulations on winning that challenge, Little Chip. Now we have in our collection Series 33 Avenger 25th Anniversary. Let's test them out on the track. Avenger 25th Anniversary, let's go! That was fun. Did you enjoy the content? Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next Who Gets Unboxed. Will it be my pick, Rescue Ranger, or will it be Little Chip's pick, Bad Habit? Who do you think will win the next Who Gets Unboxed, Little Chip?
Me.
Thanks for joining us today. See you guys at the next Who Gets Unboxed.